Friend, how are you? I am fine also. I hope that you are well at your home because you have been staying at your home for a long time for coronavirus. And today I shall teach you about boys. Look at the whiteboard. Boys, that means bachcho. Bachcho, what is boys? What is boys? But definition of boys. Boys is that form of a verb which shows whether the subject of the verb acts or is acted upon, or it is acted upon. That means voice হলো ভার্বের গঠন। voice হলো কি ভার্বের গঠন। voice is that voice হলো ভার্বের গঠন। form মানে গঠন of a verb, ভার্বের গঠন যাহা দ্বারা বোঝায় shows মানে দেখানো হয় whether the subject of the verb, ভার্বের যে কর্তা সেটা কি কাজ করে, acts মানে কাজ করে, or অথবা it is acted upon, অথবা সেই কাজটি কি করে তার উপর এসে পড়ে বা বোঝায়, তাকে কি বলে ভয়েস বলে। তো আমরা বুঝতে পারলাম ভয়েস কাকে বলে। এখন আমরা যাব হাউ মেনি কাইন্ডস অফ ভয়েস। হাউ মেনি কাইন্ডস অফ voice. Voice কত প্রকার? How many kinds of voice? There are two kinds of voice. There are two kinds of voice, such as active voice. Active voice, that means করতি বাচ্চ। Number 2, passive voice. Passive voice, that means কর্ম বাচ্চ। আমরা বুঝতে পারলাম যে ভয়েস কত প্রকার। ভয়েস দুই প্রকার। there are two kinds of voice. One is active voice, another is passive voice. সাধারণত ভয়েস চেঞ্জ করার সময় তিনটি সেন্টেন্স প্রয়োজন হয়। সেটা হলো তোমার অ্যাসার্টিভ সেন্টেন্স, ইম্পারেটিভ সেন্টেন্স এবং ইন্টারোগেটিভ সেন্টেন্স। এবং তোমার ভয়েস চেঞ্জ করতে টেন্স 12টি টেন্সের ফর্মের 9টি টেন্স ব্যবহৃত হয়। প্রেজেন্ট ইনডিফিনিট, প্রেজেন্ট কন্টিনিউয়াস, প্রেজেন্ট পারফেক্ট, পাস্ট ইনডিফিনিট, পাস্ট কন্টিনিউয়াস, পাস্ট পারফেক্ট, ফিউচার ইনডিফিনিট, ফিউচার কন্টিনিউয়াস, ফিউচার পারফেক্ট টেন্স। সো আই এম গোয়িং টু গিভ ইউ এ diagram or chart of a voice which includes all the structure of the voice on tenses. Please open your khata and write down what I write on the board and draw a structure. Draw a structure like this. Write down on your khata indefinite tense, indefinite, continuous and perfect, present, past and future. Future tense, present indefinite, present continuous, present perfect, past indefinite, past continuous, past perfect, future indefinite, future continuous, future perfect. So there are 9 tenses here. you will look at a glance. I am going to give you the structure of present indefinite tense. Firstly, you will have to change object will be changed into subject. Subject will be changed into object. Easy example Gretia. He eats rice. This is present indefinite tense. So you have to change this active mode and turn the sentence into passive mode. Here is object. Rice is object here. Object will be changed into subject. Rice. Rice is. Eat will be changed into eaten by him. So structure is that subject plus am, is, are plus verb 3 plus by plus object. If you follow this structure, you will be able to answer the question of present voice on present indefinite tense. Next, present continuous tense structure on present continuous tense. Object will be changed into subject. Subject will be changed into object. Then subject plus am, is, are plus being plus verb 3 plus by plus object. So this is the structure of present continuous tense. I am giving you an example. She is drinking a cup of tea. So here we can see she is subject here, a cup of tea is object here. So object will be turned into subject. A cup of tea. A cup of tea is being drink. There are three kinds of forms of verb: present, past and past participle. So the verb will be always changed into past participle form. So the past participle form of drink is drunk. Drunk, D-R-U-N-K. Drunk by she will be changed into her. Next, present perfect tense. Object will be changed into subject. Subject will be changed into object. Then subject plus have oblique has plus been. Been plus verb 3 plus by plus object. Suppose I am giving you an example. We have done the work. We have done the work. This is in the active mode, and you will have to change into this sentence into passive mode. Then you will have to identify the object. The work is object here. The work has been done by, we will be changed into us. Next, past indefinite tense. Object will be changed into subject. Subject will be changed into object. Subject plus was, were plus verb 3 plus by plus object. So past form of am, is, are. Am is, the past form of am is was, and the past form of are is were. So He ate rice. This is the past indefinite tense. The rice will be changed into subject. Rice was. Ate will be changed into eaten. Eaten by him. Next, past continuous tense. Object will be changed into subject. Subject will be changed into object. Subject plus was, were, plus being, plus by, verb 3, plus by plus object. She was making a basket. Well, a basket was being made. Past participle form of make is made by she, her. She will be changed into her. Then past perfect tense. Object will be changed into subject. Subject will be changed into object. Subject plus had plus been plus verb 3 plus by plus object. She has sung a song. A song has been sung by her. This is the structure of past perfect tense. Then next, future indefinite tense. Object will be changed into subject. Subject will be changed into object. Subject plus shall oblique will plus be plus verb 3 plus by plus object. She will teach me. Me will be changed into I shall be. The past participle form of teach is taught. T-A-U-G-H-T, taught by her. Then future continuous tense. Object will be changed into subject. Subject will be changed into object. Subject plus shall oblique will plus be plus being. Being plus past participle form of verb plus by plus object. She will be catching fish. Fish will be being caught. The past participle form of catch is caught by she will be changed into her. Next, future perfect tense. Object will be changed into subject. Subject will be changed into object. Then subject plus shall oblique will plus have plus been. Been plus past participle form plus by plus object. She will have she will have learned her lesson. Her lesson is object here. Her lesson will have been learned by her. So these are the structure of tenses. If you follow the structure of tenses, it will be very easier for you to solve the problem on voice sense. Now, have you completed your writing? Okay. Now I am going to wipe out the board. My dear student, I am going to give you example how to change subject will be object and object will turn into subject, and how we can know what is subject and what is object. Please write down on your khata subject and object. Subject I, the objective form of I is me. He, him. She, her. We, us. They, them. You, you. Kona, kona. Eat, eat. Eat, eat. I, me, he, him, she, her, we, us, they, them, you, kona, kona, eat, eat. And so the proper noun will not be changed. Okay, have you written? Okay. Next. I am going to give you a structure on imperative sentence. Voice on imperative sentence. Imperative sentence is voice. The structure let plus object plus be plus verb 3 plus let, suppose I am going to give you example, verb 3 do it, let it be, do will be changed into done, because the past participle form of do is done. The negative form of imperative sentence, voice on imperative sentence, let plus not plus object plus be plus verb 3. Do not, do it. Let not it be done. This is the negative form of imperative mode. Next, have you done your lesson? Okay. I am going to give you a structure on quasi-passive mode. Quasi-passive mode, quasi-passive voice. That means bhabbaccha. Quasi-passive voice. That means ki bhabbaccha. Bhabbaccha. The structure of quasi-passive mode is subject plus to be verb tense अनुजाई. To be verb tense अनुजाई. According to tense. plus object plus when it plus to be verb again tense अनुजाई plus verb 3. This is the structure of possessive voice. I am going to give you an example. Honey, tastes sweet. So subject will not be changed here. The honey is sweet when it is tasted. This is the example of possessive voice. Now I am giving you some uncommon verb. The by is not used with these verb, and different types of preposition is used with this verb. Suppose known verb, known verb with the known verb to will be used here. Known to, not by, known by. By will not be used here. To will be used here. Known to. Pleased with, interested in, annoyed at. Known to, pleased with, interested in, annoyed at. So there is different here. There will be by will not be used with this verb. My dear student, I have taught you on how to change the voice, and I have given all the structure of the voice. If you follow or learn the structure, I hope that it will be very easier for you to change the sentences from active voice into passive voice. So I am giving you homework. Please write down on your khata. Homework. You will show me in the next class. I dreamed a sweet dream. I dreamed a sweet dream. Number 2. She has made a lot of delicious cakes. Next, Sheila will make a beautiful garland. Garland means mala. Garland. Next, do the work at once. Number 5, folk songs interest me. Number 6, I know him well. Number 7, seek it. Seek it. Number 8. Number 8, do not make a noise. Number 9, he killed himself. Number 10, I am going to open an account. This is your homework, and I want to tell you that if you see in the question paper can, will, shall, could, may, might, going to, have to, has to, and you will use be. You will use be with this word. Suppose have to be, can be, may be, might be, could be, should be, would be. And you will use be, and the verb will be changed into past participle form. So I have given 10 sentences to solve at home. You are staying at home in this moment because lockdown is going on all over the country, and the coronavirus COVID-19 has attacked all the person. So if you want to keep yourself from this virus, you should stay at home and you should not mix with the other company. You should keep yourself away from the other people. So, and eat balanced diet and sleep and take rest and see the best movie or cinema or drama on the television, and do your homework and enjoy our class. This is the audio visual class, and it will be help you to complete your syllabus, and you will be ready to attend your exam hall, taking preparation very well if you follow the lecture very sincerely. Thank you all, and may Allah bless you.